In this video, I'm rolling with my fellow 51-year-old purple belt, Joe. Joe and I are very similar. He's just bigger and stronger, and I'm more handsome. Or at least that's what I just told him during that exchange. So here we go. I'm fending him off, but seriously, he is a very strong guy and probably outweighs me a little bit, maybe more than a little bit. He watches my YouTube channel, and he knows my game. He knows my tricks. And he's the type of guy that really has, some extra time at work, and he's had time to analyze what I do. So he's able to nullify it. I'm trying to stick with my principle of being very relaxed and, not using a lot of effort. But it's hard when the guy is, similar skill, bigger and stronger, and knows what I like to do. But I have to put my ego aside, and if it means letting my guard get past or something like that, then that's what has to happen. And then I can learn from there. So here we go. I mean, I'm not even sure what I'm trying to do. I have a butterfly guard. Here I'm testing his base. I was trying to push him back, looking for a forward reaction, which he didn't give. Now I'm just working like a collar sleeve and letting him get to that. Once I have the knee shield, I like to keep people away by using both arms to stop their one attacking arm. Again, he could grab the back of my neck, but I'm not going to let him grab the front. And I have two arms to fight it. So as you can see, I'm just fighting that grip. He's trying to come around. He'd love to get that control, but I just won't let him get past my arms. And again, he's super strong. It's not easy fending him off here. I don't know how hard it looks, but... So now he's picking me up by my elbow, which... Oh, I thought that's what he was doing. That would have been a good idea. So I got both arms in perfect position to stop him from grabbing my head and passing. So I have a good half guard on him, but I'm not really doing anything. I just kind of want to see how he passes the half guard. Because to me, this is a lab. This is a place where when you're with somebody of a similar skill level, you can really learn from them. So here we go. He's trying to grab my head, but he went for the collar instead, which is a good idea because it prevents me from moving away as he pulls his leg out of the half guard. In no-gi, you don't have that option. So here he goes. He's also picking me up by my sleeve a little. Not enough. If he did that more, here it goes. He could have done that right from the beginning. It would have been much better. Again, I'm not using 100% to fight out. I probably could have turtled here. I just want to see what he's doing. He joked. He said, I don't like when you let me do that, or something to that effect. I mean, I didn't let him pass. I just didn't want to use 100% effort. If I couldn't stop him with 60 or 70%, then my skill wasn't enough. So now he circled to the other side. I'm not sure what he's doing here. He could be looking for the Kimura. He said he told me afterwards he likes the Kimura. Oh, here we go. Yeah, I haven't noticed that. Yeah, you're right. I'm right. He has the Kimura grip. Basically, he wants to step over my head. But a lot of guys aren't flexible enough to do that. So he gave up on the Kimura. And I think he has my collar here. Again, I'm totally relaxed. I'm not out of breath. My muscles aren't on the edge of exhaustion. I have everything left if I want to give it. So here he's trying basically to paper cutter choke me. He has me by the back collar, and he's trying to lean down. He almost has it. But I'm able to make space by framing. I actually put my elbow in his ear. And I got out of it. But it was definitely close. But I'm at this point now, when I look back at this roll, I'll be glad that I was able to, tolerate and escape that. Now we're talking about my north-south triangle because he knows that I'm setting it up. He basically told me, I know what you're trying to do here. And then we had a laugh about it. But he also knows he can't keep his head on my waist there. And later on, after the roll, we were discussing it, and he said that he wished he could have kept his head. By not being able to keep his head on my waist to pin me down, it really threw his game. So as you can see here, he doesn't really know how to hold me down. He wants to use his head to pin my waist. Again, totally relaxed. Here, I think at the end, he was trying to set up some type of leg lock, but he knew the time was running out. Anyway, another great roll with Joe. Please like and subscribe.
Hope that was on.